Make $28 again and again and again, worldwide, and everyone can do it. Stay tuned. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make $28 over and over. I'll show you everything you need to know. And at the end of the video, I will give you a software that you do all the work for you, basically on autopilot. So you want to stay to the end of the video. What you're gonna do is create an Instagram page in a specific niche, like fitness, sports, healthy life, and things like that. After we have created that page, we have to make it popular, get around over 1k subscribers. So the way we're gonna do this, there are two ways of doing this. The first one is manually, which is completely free. What you're gonna do is basically go to pages of that specific niche. Go to their posts and engage. Like their posts, like comments on those posts, comment. That will get people seeing you in their notification page and be interested in you and what you're publishing. So this is one of the ways you can advance your Instagram page. So what we're gonna do after we have advanced the Instagram page is go to eBay and sell it. As you can see, it sells for a really good price. 1k plus people Instagram page for $25. This is a unique technique that not many people know. It's a technique that I used last summer to make some good cash. So before I tell you the software which will basically advance those Instagram pages for you, I want to take a second and tell you that if you like my videos and want strategies how to make money online, subscribe. If you have any questions, comment. I will see you comment and answer it. So the software that we are gonna use to automatically create and advance those pages is this website. As you can see, there are different subscriptions. The subscription we are getting is a $25 one. It allows you up to 16 accounts and it does everything for you. Store viewer, auto repost, you don't even have to post anything. Must store viewer, comment liker, after follow, after like, after comment. It does everything for you. It's basically an autopilot. So with this you can make up to 16 accounts. 16 accounts, if you make 16 Instagram accounts every month and save it from $25, you make around $550. This is a really great technique. If you want more techniques like this, subscribe. If you want another technique, you can check this one out. It's about how you can make $14 again and again in PayPal money. It's very easy and almost no work is needed. Thanks for watching, goodbye.